Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the tube and parts so the seal forms correctly. First, verify the tubing OD against the ferrule and fitting size. A mismatch leaks. Once verified, cut the tube square and deburr the outside edge to avoid creasing the ferrule. Slide the nut on, then the ferrule with the tapered end pointing to the fitting. Make sure the tube is fully inserted to the shoulder. This positioning controls compression depth and prevents under or over-tightening. You now seat the ferrule and form the seal. Hand thread the nut until snug to avoid cross-threading, then hold the fitting body with a second wrench to stabilize it. Tighten the nut with a wrench 1/4 to 1/2 turn past hand tight. This compresses the ferrule into the tube and fitting bore. Once done, inspect the ferrule bite pattern and the visible gap. Consistent compression indicates a good mechanical seal. If using brass to brass, expect some resistance as metal You finish by testing the connection and resolving common failures. Slowly pressurize the line to about 30 to 50% of normal operating pressure and inspect for seepage at the nut and tube. If you see a drip, tighten the nut an additional 1/8 to 1/4 turn. If leakage persists, depressurize, disassemble, and check ferrule position or replace it. Reused, deformed ferrules often fail. Finally, make sure not to over-tighten multiple times. Repeated compression ruins ferrule geometry and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.